This is the 24th video on computer awareness quiz, and this will be a 40-part video series on computer awareness, wherein we'll be discussing the basic fundamentals and concepts relating to computers, programs, and related terms or terminologies. In this video, we'll be talking about the evolution of internet. You'll find these videos besides the respective GK Today quiz under computer awareness quiz section. Link is in the description. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask them in the comment section. Which among the following defines Web 2.0 most precisely? Correct answer is B. A series of technological improvements in World Wide Web or WWW. Dynamic ad hoc wireless networks or DAWN usually come under. Correct answer is D. An ad hoc network is a collection of wireless mobile hosts. Mobile here means freely movable, forming temporary network without the use of traditional infrastructure like routers, etc. Which among the following was the first operational packet switching network and the predecessor of the internet? Correct answer is ARPANET. Advanced Research Project Agency Network is the full form of ARPANET or ARPANET, was an early packet switching network and the first network to implement the TCP/IP protocol suite. Both technologies became the technical foundation of the internet that we know today. Which university was connected for the first time with the Stanford Research Institute under ARPANET? Correct answer is A. University of California. So the first ARPANET link was established between University of California, Los Angeles, or better known as UCLA, and the Stanford Research Institute. What does ARPANET stand for? We have already seen this. Correct answer is C. Which of the following switching methods was used by ARPANET? Correct answer is B. Packet switching. In which year ARPANET was shut down? Correct answer is B. 1990. So ARPANET, which was initially funded by Advanced Research Project Agency of the US Department of Defense, was shut down and dismantled in the year 1990. Which of these provided the first online service to offer electronic mail capabilities to personal computer users? Correct answer is CompuServe. It was the first service to offer electronic mail capabilities and technical support to personal computer users. They started the service in 1979. Which of the following countries had a packet switching network called as Cyclades? Correct answer is D. France. Cyclades, or CYCLADES, packet switching network was a French research network. It was the first network to make the hosts responsible for reliable delivery of data rather than the network itself. Which of these is an ITU-T standard protocol suite for packet switched wide area network or WAN communication? Correct answer is X.25. International Telecommunication Union or ITU. It basically coordinates standards for telecommunications and is one of the specialized agency of UN. X.25 is an ITU-T standard protocol suite for packet switch wide area network. Unlike ARPANET, it was available for business use as well. Which of these networks is used for communication between bulletin board system? Correct answer is A. FidoNet. FidoNet is a worldwide computer network that was used for communication between bulletin board system. It used a store and forward system to exchange private email and public forum messages. What is the name of the first computer virus that affected ARPANET? Correct answer is B. Creeper. It infected ARPANET in 1971. Bob Thomas created Creeper as an experimental self-duplicating program that was intended not to inflict damage but to illustrate a mobile application. Who was the first head of the state to send an email? Correct answer is B. In 1976, Queen Elizabeth II of United Kingdom sent an email on ARPANET, becoming the first head of state to do so. In which year the computer science network started functioning? Correct answer is C. Computer network designed to extend network benefits to universities and institutions that could not be directly connected to ARPANET. The Computer Science Network or CSNet was a computer network that began operation in 1981 in the US. In which year the domain name system was invented? Domain name system is also known as DNS. Correct answer is C. Domain name system was invented in 1983. Paul McPetris invented the domain name system or DNS, thus expanding the internet even further. Which of these were the split off version of ARPANET for the military use? Correct answer is A. Milnet was the name given to the part of the ARPANET network designed for unclassified US Department of Defense traffic. Milnet was physically separated from ARPANET in 1984. Who invented World Wide Web? Correct answer is C. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989. HTML documents were transmitted over the internet by a web server to web browsers using Uniform Resource Locators, or simply known as URLs. Which of these organizations was created to manage IP address spaces? Correct answer is B. ICANN was created in 1998 to manage IP address space and DNS root zone. Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers is the full form of ICANN, and it is a non-profit organization responsible for coordinating the maintenance and procedures of several databases related to the namespaces and numerical spaces of the Internet. In which year NSF NET program was established? Correct answer is C. NSF NET stands for National Science Foundation Network. It was a program which was sponsored by the National Science Foundation beginning in 1985 to promote advanced research and education networking in the US. Which of these is known as the first search engine? Correct answer is A. Archie is known to be the first search engine. It was developed in 1991 and was followed by WIS and Gopher. Which of these protocols is considered as the effective predecessor of the World Wide Web? Correct answer is B. The Gopher protocol is an application layer protocol which is designed for distributing, searching, and retrieving documents over the internet. Gopher ecosystem is considered as the effective predecessor of the World Wide Web. Which country funded the ARPANET project? This is again easy. Correct answer is B. ARPANET was developed under the direction of the US Advanced Research Project Agency in 1969. It was a network that became the basis for the internet. When was SMTP developed? Correct answer is D. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or SMTP, was developed in 1982. It is an internet standard for email transmission. Extended SMTP is the protocol in widespread use today. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment. Thank you and see you in the next one.